Ramset Universal Anchor. Universal anchors are an innovative patented solution suitable for fixing to stone, concrete, solid brick, hollow wall and hollow brick substrates. Universal anchors work in one of two ways: by expanding when applied in solid materials, or by twisting in a knot when applied in a hollow substrate. The universal anchor delivers strong holding power fit for universal applications. It can hold up to 7 to 11 kilograms in hollow wall substrates and up to 26 to 32 kilograms in solid substrates. Designed with innovative and patented features, the universal anchor includes a mechanical interlocking system for solid locking between the screw and threading cone of the anchor, a rough surface delivering optimum expansion and secure grip, 2 longitudinal fins for grip, expansion and reinforcements in high resistant materials, a flexible lip for flush fixing. To install the Ramset Universal Anchor, you must first drill a 6mm diameter hole for the 6mm red Universal Anchor, or drill an 8mm diameter hole for the 8mm blue Universal Anchor into the material you are fixing into. Next, hammer the Universal Anchor into the drilled hole. Then, line up object to be hung. Push the screw through the object being hung and directly into the anchor. Finally, drive in screw with driver until tight. The Ramset Universal Anchor is now available at all leading retail hardware stores.